Yeah, I think it's cool. What size engine does it have?
It's got a 31 horsepower motor.
Yeah.
750.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
It's like a zero turn lawnmower motor on this thing.
Yeah, 750 cc.
Yep.
Fucking brute force in this fucking thing. Do some wheelies in this bitch. Like fucking Kohler generators. Yep.
No, this is cool.
The thing I'm worried about is the belt has a couple, I didn't notice it until last night, has a couple notches in it.
Oh, yep, I see
right
that.
there, and there's another one somewhere else.
So this thing, does water get in here?
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'll say, so you don't have to snorkel or nothing?
No.
I guess because it'll float.
Yeah.
Well, cool, man.
I have saw him sink though.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I seen a guy
anything's
hit
possible.
his pond like wide open, and the Sherp was right behind him, and he hit it, and the ass end came down. They had a cab on and everything, and the Sherp came right behind him and like splashed water up in the back, but it was already low, I guess, and it went under, and
just because water got into it?
Yeah, it got in it, and it just sunk.
Oh, he got a tiger tail too.
Yeah, I just bought that.
Yeah, I love mine. Yep. Me and Brian were talking earlier, and it's kind of getting wore out, but just wore out. That's all.
Yeah, I mean, 220 bucks. I'm like, I'll give it.
Yeah, I love mine. I use it all the time.
I got a snatch rope back there too.
I bet you can go to find one of those like 6-seater golf carts.
Yeah.
Probably and make it fit.
Make
you know.
it work, yeah.
Don't rig it, man. Go get the right shit. Don't be doing that Sean shit. Put the holes in your shit.
Yeah, I want to see this bitch. I'm gonna take it down to Waffle Top and see it flow down the creek.
Right there. I bet you this motherfucker will float right down. You don't need ramps.
Today's today's June 6th, the anniversary of D-Day. This motherfucker's rolling in a tank.
I think it's
about restoring the beaches.
Oh yeah, it's got a boat motor.
Boat motor.
Yeah.
No, I'll get out of here, really?
Yeah, I pulled the it hooks into the back here.
Yeah.
And has a pole that comes up right here, and then it bolts right here. Just right there. I took that off last night so I could put that on.
So you get
like a trolling motor, or you got like a
you
like 125 or something?
You can put up to a 10 horsepower.
Or yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah.
So you can fucking troll better.
Yeah. And it's got even
cruising.
It's got a damn plug right here already hooked up for like a foot pedal for your trolling motor and stuff.
Oh man. You're just out there cruising Black Creek.
And it's right there by my house. That's what I said. I said, shit, I live off 215. I can hit 21 and go right there to the boat.
You don't need a boat.
He's got the best of both worlds.
Yeah.
That's cool. hitch line is pushing him back. He's just floating. There it goes. Need a bit of a brush guard back there so I can push you, or somebody can push you, you know.
Yeah, that's what I was telling him about that. Well, don't be that good for this water.
It might be as slow as old people fuck, but it don't fucking stop for nothing.
Yeah, it goes.
Yeah, it goes. I mean,
Mud at all. I know that shit's bad.
yeah, that shit is soft as hell.
You ready to try it?
I'll do it down at the waffle top.
It's hard to know how bad it is. I mean, I know it's bad.
What the fuck is that thing?
Yeah, you don't even go in nothing. Like you're just on top.
Look at this thing. What is that thing?
A little baby snake.
I don't know. You know that creek runs through the property?
Yeah.
I wonder if he'd make it across that motherfucker.
I'm sure he would. I'm sure he would. I mean, it don't. Like he went through that mud. If I go through that, it'll bury my shit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
All any of this right
Yeah.
here. would-
Squish. He didn't even squish the mud. He just makes it flatter.
Imagine that thing did like 40 miles an hour.
You say it does 24.
That's half of 40.
Yeah.
Yeah, they really cleared that shit out.
I told you it was cleaned out.
That's weird, man. I never seen nobody do no maintenance back here ever.
There used to be trees all over.
It used to be flooded, yeah.
Yeah. Drive down there and see if it's nasty though. I bet it's driving over there, like where it ain't so steep. You can go down there.
You got it.
You gotta find out if they run a little easy or not. I think it's all hard bottom.
Yeah. I don't know. I think if me or him went in there, we'd sink. You going?
It's hard bottom.
Oh, well, maybe not. How hard is it? As soon as you break the surface. Yeah, it ain't very hard. Yeah. Hey, yeah, you can probably just pull them straight out that way, Sean.
What's the matter? Stuck over there?
What's the matter? You don't have tank tracks?
Keep trying.